Hey folks, back with video 4. I don't know if I explained to you or not. This pocket that we made is the 4.5 by 6 cardstock piece. I don't know if I actually explained that. And then this one was the flip that we created out of the 6 by 6. And we scored it at a 1/2 inch. So I wasn't sure if I explained that part or not. Okay, so now we're on to the 3rd and 4th pages. The 3rd page, you're going to need 1 pattern paper at 3 by 5 3/4, 1 pattern paper at 3 3/4 by 5 3/4, 1 at 3 1/4 by 5 3/4, and 1 at 2 3/4 by 5 3/4. That'll be for this page. For the back side of this page, which is this flip, you're going to need 2 5 1/4 by 3 3/4, and you're going to need 1 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 for this. Okay, so let's get started on page 3. All right, so with page 3, we are using a flip for the page 4, and that's these 3 pages of pattern paper. We have our base page here, and then we have our pattern pages, our pattern pieces, I should say. This here is a 4 by 6 with the pattern paper. This one is a 3.5 by 6 with its pattern paper. This one is a 3 by 6 with its pattern paper. So this is a 2 3/4 pattern paper that'll go on here. That's the smallest piece that you're working with. Granted, people will tell you might want to use smaller amounts of cardstock so you're not wasting and da 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 da. I personally like doing my whole piece of paper so that it looks complete. Okay, so that one's the 2 3/4 by 5 3/4, which is actually a 3 by 6 cardstock piece. Okay, that's that one. The next one's going to be the 3.5 inch piece, which has got the 3 1/4 inch piece pattern paper. And if you can tell, we're just going 1/4 inch under what the actual cardstock size is the size that we make our pattern paper, just to give us a little bit of a border. Some people do a 1/2 inch. I like 1/4 inch. Most